Hello and welcome to my reflective video for the unit of Introduction to Programming. My name is ABANG AHMAD AMIRUL, and today I will reflect my learnings from which I have learned in Swinburne University of Technology, Sarawak campus. So the first topic that I will be covering is the standard input and output function. So first I'll be covering the output function, which for Ruby language is quite simple. So you need to type in def main. So the main is your function name, and then at the second line you need to put puts for the command prompt to know what you need to project out in the command prompt. So puts hello world, or you just can simply put anything you want, and then you end the program, and then after end you need to call for the function, so for the program that you have been created. Okay, so you press file and then save as. You go to anywhere you like. For me it's desktop, and then you rename the file to hello.rb. rb is the Ruby type file, so you change this one also to Ruby file. Okay, press save, and then that's it. You've created the program. So what you want to do now is you launch your CMD command prompt. To change the directory, you need to put cd space and then the directory that you want to go. So for me it's desktop, so it will go to the desktop directory. So at the desktop directory you need to call for Ruby. Ruby is the thing that you need to have to launch the program that you have been created. So Ruby, and then your file name hello.rb. Press enter, then it will project out hello world, the thing that you have been created. Alright, next we'll talk about the input, a simple input function. So this is for the user to input their data. So what you need to do is you make a name for it. So for example, name, because the program asks for the name of the user, so name gets chom for the user, for the program to get the data from the user. And then what you're gonna do is put another put, so hello, if you want to greet the user, hello, plus the data the program gets from the user, so hello, then you need to add some space for it, plus name, enter. So you save it, you save your file, you launch back your CMD, go back to desktop, cd desktop, so Ruby hello rb. So hello, please enter your name, and then you put your name. For me it's Amirul, and then it will project out the hello Amirul. Next we'll talk about variable, which the program will store the data that you enter before you launch the program. So for example, you want to put a number, a simple number, so you put a name for it. So for example, pi. So number for pi is 3414, and then under the puts for hello plus name, you just put puts pi, which is the variable that you have created. So you save, you relaunch your CMD, and you can just press up button. So we will Ruby hello.rb, enter, and then please enter your name, Amirul, for me, hello Amirul, and then the variable will be output underneath the hello Amirul in the string. Okay, so next we'll talk about selection. So basically selection is for the program to know about the user. If the user enter a specific number or a specific name, it will come out a different output for the user. Okay, so for example, for this program that I've made, which is age related program. So first the program will project out hello, please enter your age. So the user will input their data, so age gets chom 2i. So 2i is for the computer to understand what is the data from the user. And then okay, for example, if the user input 18, or more than 18, for example 19 or 20, so the program will project out teen. Else, if the user enter the data which is 17 or below 17, below 18, so the program will project out age restricted content. So for example, okay, I have my command prompt here. So I launch the program ruby age.rb. Okay, so hello, please enter your age. So I simply enter 19, so it will project out teen, and then hello, please enter age. If I input my data 17, it will put age restricted content. Alright, so next is loop function. Loop function is for the program to project out everything that you have written down inside the program. So for example, for the program that I have I've made, which is count equals to 0, so it will loop the count, which is this one, 5 times at this one. So every time the loop continues to output to generate, it will plus the digit by 1, and then it will stop by count is 4 because it is less than 5. So for example, okay, so ruby loop.rb, so it will stop at 4. If you want your program to stop at 5, so just put less or equal to 5, you save it, you relaunch your command prompt, so relaunch the program, so it will say out 6 times because you have made equals or less than 5. Okay, the last but not least is function. So the main reason for a programmer to put another function in their program is to make sure their main program does not like crowded with functions and everything. So what you can do is def function. Function is the name of the function that you want to like do another function for it. So it puts, so this one is depends on you. So for me it's puts, this is my name, and then in the main is where the program will be run. So you put the function, the name function here, and then puts AMIRUL anything you want, and then you don't forget to put your n, and then the main is for the CMD to launch the program that you want to that you have been programmed. So you open back your command prompt, so ruby function rb, so the function rb is the name of the file, save file name, enter. So this is my name is under function, and then AMIRUL is under main. Okay, for example, if I just simply backspace this, I just delete the function in my main, so I save it, then I relaunch my program, it will only output AMIRUL because I don't have the function here, this function inside my main. So I need to put function inside my main. I save it, I relaunch my command prompt, and then I relaunch my program. Then the thing inside the function will be generated out onto the CMD. So in this reflection video, I've covered simple input and output, and then variable, which is this one, and then the selection, if and else, the loop function, and the function. Alright, so that's all for me. Thank you.